Right now, a little Mount back. You don't know about that, man. And we're gonna get a little Henny. You know what I mean? Make it nice. It's gonna be a crunk night.
Hey, man, it's 4th of July weekend.
4th of July, man. We partying on a weekend, right? How about a little Moscato, too?
Man, that,
huh?
that must be for the lady.
Yeah. No discount, though? So that's still 119?
No, the tax is only 130. $11 tax.
All right, man. We chilling in NYC right now. You know, it's NYC life, you know.
It's cruising.
Right now, traffic, man. Yo, it's crazy, you know.
I mean, I know, man, we've chilled a little bit. Me being here in New York visiting, man.
You already know, man.
Every time I'm with you, man, you always listen to some real hip hop, though, man.
Yeah,
I mean,
man, that's what I do, man.
Tell these, you know, right now, what you got on right now?
I got some Pharoahe Monch in the building.
Yeah, I was in some Pharoahe Monch spitting the flame, man.
You know, some Mos Def. They don't know about that, man.
So,
Talib Kweli, man, stuff like that, you know?
Tell me about your love for hip-hop, man, where that comes from.
Yeah, I've been in hip-hop Creole for 3 years, man, spending bread and doing this shit for fun. You know what I mean? And I'm great at it. It is what it is. You know what I mean? But, like I said, that's my love. And I don't know if I'd do it if I didn't love it, because I'm not getting paid. But I'm getting paid regardless, you understand? So, it is what it is.
You get some kind of satisfaction from it.
Yo, yeah.
Well, what I'm saying, like your love for hip hop in general, you know, like
in general, man, that's me. Like, I'm a musician. People don't know that, you know. Like, it's not just hip hop. I love my compa too, and I love pop. I love reggae. Yo, I'm multicultural, and I'm gonna do this on the platform of that sense. You know what I mean? Like multicultural shit. You know?
So
eclectic.
Diversity.
That's the word. Diversity. Eclectic.
Yeah.
Man.
I mean, people can see that, man. I mean, right? People can see that. They can see even in your lifestyle, man, in your private life.
Yeah,
you have you are around all type of people. You know what I mean?
Man. Listen. You know, like I move around, man. I make contacts. You know what I'm saying? Like I live life, basically, man. When you live life, there's no boundaries. You know.
What you think is the biggest challenge for Creole hip hop here in the States, man?
It's like, what I gotta say, man, it's like, you know, there's a lot, there's a few dudes doing what it is over here, you know, but it's like, what it is like, the dudes in Haiti, they see bread. I can't even go around it, man. Like, you know, everybody's about bread, and sometimes...
So, vle pale nan adrese nèg Haiti ou di nèg Haiti c'est l'argent yo wè.
Oui, apil nèg Haiti yo wè kob, you know.
C'est kob la ki pi important.
Et puis, il est pi important, yo gen wap fè bel mouvement de musique, ma pale, like, bel musique, bah. Bon, y'a kite musique ça yo mouri, juste parce que ou pas vle voye, ou bien ou pas voye pour nèg ça, parce que ou gen wap pas même rencontrer nèg là, ou pas même rencontrer nèg là. Et pour faire réalité, même l'MT Donald Trump, plein comme m'attaque tout DJ Haïti, tout animateur, tout woman, tout nèg ça, bah ça pas possible. So nèg yo a crasé hip hop là tout parce que gen pile talent boy ici qui pas même les nèg yo pas besoin comme nan rap créole là, but at least talent yo te ka passer, nèg Haïti te ka apprendre. Vous comprenez ça que fait hip hop, et pas juste parce que même m'ba tapi bon dans rap là. But gon ba nan moi même l'autre rappeur qui a venu te ka apprendre ou bien te ka remer et puis qu'on a la rap pal t'a venu petit genre plus strong. On voit même les gen l'autre bagay pal que li gen nan talent pal. On voit pas connait système a fait sens.
No, yeah, definitely makes sense. Really, what I want to know is like for here in America, we are non connaît qui gens ça difficile comme si là non ou connaît moi-même moi te fait hip hop here in America. I've been doing that for a while.
Yeah, no doubt.
You know, nous te fait gros succès. Comment Sky's the limit te fait gros succès. So ça veut dire man, nous te rencontré en pile challenge sur là. Comment ça veut dire là et nous même ici aux États-Unis là, qui challenge, you know, what do you think is the biggest challenge for hip hop?
On le challenge qui est encore, like, Haïtien boy ici, yo, et soit yo pas connaît assez, si yo pas dans musique, si yo pas dans rap créole, yo pas connaît assez de rap créole pour yo remel. Vous comprenez? Vous pouvez attendre parler de Barricade Crew, vous pouvez attendre parler de Isolant, attendre parler de série de nègres qui a fait hit, Fantôme, ça, vous comprenez?
Yeah.
Yo pas vraiment connaît comme si on série de l'autre artiste. Même là, yo entend parler de Fantôme, yo pas attendre de musique.
They don't even really know his music.
But en pile là de ça, on connaît c'est Karimi, on comprend créole là, ça. Haïtien ici, on compas direct et puis là-dessus, pour y aller grouiller en bâtiment.
Pour y aller faire book sentiment.
Pour y aller faire book sentiment et puis en bâtiment.
Pour éclairer book sentiment. Qui parle de problème?
M'ba fâché avec eux, m'ba fâché avec eux, mais éclairer book sentiment m'dou.
Yeah, but I think people should at least try to see
but
what we talking about, or we trying to talk about.
Haïtien qui a rap créole une chance parce que c'est même nous-mêmes, c'est même musique là. Même les compas yo comme musicien yo tant de rap créole et il y a un pile là-dedans qui aime rap créole, qui fait partie rap créole.
Normal.
But moi en pile de nèg ça on pas aimer rap créole blow up tout parce que a tirer l'argent dans poche yo. Et m'pas quoi la tirer l'argent dans poche yo vraiment parce que il y a place pour tout le monde. Parce que combien haïtien gagne, vous comprenez?
Si vous pensez en jazz comparatif combattant pour rap créole, qui sont pensés pour quelle raison vous pensez là il était capé?
Non, juste parce que comme si m'a vend charbon là, m'a vle l'autre mon a vinn vend gaz bon côté, vous comprenez? Et comme ça me parle, excusez.
Technologie.
Et comme ça me pensait tout.
Oui.
C'est dans ce sens ça. Nous pas faire même bagaille, mais nous fait un bagaille qui similaire en anglais que en créole on dit qui presque même bagaille. Musique. So si haïtien vient gon l'autre sorte de musique, on l'autre genre de musique qui a fait évoluer dans la communauté haïtienne. Ça fait un pile monde qui était capable de compas, vient peut-être dans des rap créole, et bien il était capable tous les deux, mais quand même les autres capable d'étiqueter avec compas, il est obligé d'étiqueter un peu là dans notre créole.
Just give some, you know, because the thing is, I think it's about music.
It's about music, man. Like in America, we have all sorts of music.
Yeah.
And a lot of times, these sorts of music, you know, they collide. You know, they collaborate, they do all of that, and it's all about money.
When say R&B, seulement I listen to only 90s hip hop. I only listen to Drake. I want to hear Kendrick Lamar.
Oui, pendant ce temps, même DJ ça, yo gen multiple musique, genre de musique pour jouer. Et aussi la fait comme yo, tout le monde a fait comme. Et puis musique haïtienne même a venu lever dans l'autre level parce que ou gen option plus on pas que haïtien qui a pris toutes sortes de musique ça. Nous en 2015 qu'on y a ça sont l'autre on l'autre joue, on l'autre turn up vivre là, vous comprenez?
I mean, what's the plan, man, for you, man, with this career hip hop, man?
Yo, man, my plan is to make beautiful music. You know, music that I appreciate first before the fans, you know? And I appreciate the fans, I appreciate me. Because, pour me dire bien, man, yo, moi, je viens apprendre que moi, pas un artiste qui est facile pour le public aimer.
Yeah, faut get to know you.
Faut comprendre moi, faut comprendre qui j'aime mieux, qui j'aime parler, pour une mentalité d'ISO.
Yeah.
Parce que, genre, rap moi, son mentalité liée, mentalité PAM, et puis
yeah, the way you chop it up, man.
J'aime parler, la difficile pour un pile moun
comprendre,
surtout si on pas vraiment dans rap. Rapper après même, rapper cap rap fait par eux, même les pas admettre li. En pile après même parce que il y a pour côté m'a parlé.
Il fait ça en pile là non pas qu'à faire ou bien pile là de remet fait. Parce que
m'a parler réalité, vous comprenez? Parce que n'importe monde qui attend des musiques moi et puis ouais ça m'a parlé et pas juste musique back up ça m'a dit so yeah,
that's what's up, man. We're on the way to BK right now, man.
We're gonna stop by the studio, make some music.
Osmosis.
Your Punchline in the building.
So Dizo, man, why it's so important for you to stay fresh like that, man?
Come on, man. It's part of this life, man. It's not even the artist part, you know. It's part of the Dizo life to stay fresh. I was fresh before I was an artist, and I'm gonna stay fresh after I'm an artist. You know what I mean?
You know, a lot of young cats don't even know the importance of fashion. You know, fashion and music.
they go together.
Yeah, man.
So really,
Even when I'm chilling, I'm fresh, man. Even when I'm slacking, I'm fresh. I'm slacking right now, but I'm on this shirt fresh.
But keep it BK though.
Yeah, you know.
You got them Frank J's on, right?
Yeah,
Look
it's
at
all
him.
good.
Look what I got on.
Chilling. Different,
I ain't with that
still
bragging though,
styling,
man. So on the real, man, like Square Hip Hop USA, you already know what it is. Your boy Osmosis here, and I'm with
Punchline, man.
I'm
You
with
already know now. By
Punchline,
this time, they know,
Diesel.
man. Punchline, that's what they call me now.
He can't get his hair done, so while we here, you
Yeah,
know,
it's still Diesel, man.
we're definitely gonna have a little conversation with Diesel, man. D, man. So we know the last single.
Yeah, man. It's still pumping right now.
The last single is one of my favorite songs right now. Like, I just love the beat and the way you came with it.
Thank you.
Diesel, man.
Yeah,
Hey, yo, it was just, I got the reggae, like, feel to it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I got the reggae feel to it.
I said I'm versatile,
I see
man.
today you also rocking
Yeah,
about
man,
Molly
like I said,
shirt.
man, yeah.
You also rocking about Molly shirt. So what is it about reggae that you love, man?
Man, it's just roots, you know what I mean? Like, it's just our roots, man. It's not Haitian roots, but it's like Jamaican roots, like the other side, you know, the island roots, man. Caribbean roots, man. I was raised on it, so I love it, you know? Just like compa, just like rap Creole.
Okay, let's go somewhere else, man. Just imagine, right? Racine
You know, I think that
was
man.
promoted the way it should have been.
Yeah,
And
it would
let's-
be up there.
Just imagine we had a Racine guy who did it at the level by Molly did it.
Exactly.
Nigga make you pour me dread that clean, man.
They got Steven. Steven, you know what I mean? It's good shit.
Before we get your walk up, we should have. I open this shop, my hands are by